Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 25. In the diagram above, line QR and line TU are parallel. Angle PQR is equals to 80 degree and angle PSU is equals to 95 degree. Calculate angle SUT, which is X. Now, let's simply complete this diagram. Let's extend this line downward, something like this, and extend this line like this. So we have an angle here. Now, since this line and this line are parallel, it simply means that this angle here, let's call this angle PTU. It simply means that this angle is equals to 80 degree. This is angle PTU. So we say angle PQR is equals to angle PTU, which is equals to 80 degree. And why? That is because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay, now angle TSU, that is here now, angle TSU, which is this angle here, will be equals to 180 minus 95. Now this is because of they are angle on a straight line. Look at this, is a straight line and we have this angle here to be 95 degrees. So angle TSU now, which is this angle here, will be equals to 180 minus 95 degree, which is equals to 85 degree. So this angle here now is 85 degree. Now if you look at it very well, now we have this angle to be 80 degree, here to be 85. If you look at it, you will notice that STU is a triangle. So STU is a triangle, and like we know, the sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. So we can simply see that angle TSU plus angle PTU plus angle SUT, which is X, is equals to 180 degree. That is sum of angles in a triangle. So that means that means 95. That means 80 plus 85 plus X, which is angle SUT, X is equals to 180 degree. So X now will be equals to 180 minus 80 plus 85 will give us 165, and that is equals to 15 degree. So X is equals to 15 degree. That is angle SUT is equals to 15 degree, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.